History's worst war crimes were recorded on this typewriter. This is an SS typewriter found at Bergen-Belsen concentration camp. Bergen-Belsen was liberated on April 15th, 1945, and what the Allied soldiers found when they liberated the camp was truly despicable. Thousands of bodies littered the ground. The typewriter was used by Sington, a British intelligence officer who was given special permission to use the typewriter, and recorded what they had found at the camp. He recalled in his diary a mother cradling a child's corpse, an elder sharing crumbs, eyes still glinting with defiance. The notes he made later were used in Belsen's trials and made sure justice was served. This typewriter has a special SS symbol on it, which you can get by pressing Shift and 2. And you can come and see it at the Military Intelligence Museum in Chicksands.